call it one of the biggest cultural festivals in Anambra State and the Southeast region, and you won't be wrong. Dignitaries from different parts of the country graced the Idemili Cultural Day, including a delegation from Rivers State led by Felix Ubua, the administrator of the Rivers State Waste Management Agency, who also received a chieftaincy title.
Today I am here in my friend's community to be ordained or to be crowned as one of the members of the High Chiefs, the Ikemba of Idemili. I am very, very happy. If it's the will of God that my brother and my friend should be the governor of the Anambra State, so shall it be. Nobody can stop it. Issue of capacity is not issue to be debated. He has the capacity, but power belongs to God.
The co-convener of the cultural festival, Obiora Okonkwo of the Zenith Labour Party in the November governorship election, spoke about the significance of the Cultural Day celebration.
I am the leader of Nzuko Imeobi Idemili, who are the organizers of this event. I came up with this Idemili Day to unify the people of Idemili culturally and continue to remind them that no matter what administrative purpose it is to have Idemili North and South, that we are still one Idemili. This is a project that started about 8 years ago, and I am happy and glad that by the special grace of God, more of Idemili illustrious sons identifying with this progress and then coming together under this umbrella. Idemili Day is that special day that we have to get together and remind ourselves that we are one culturally, otherwise, and let people know that in whatever way we must not be allowed to be used by any other person to divide us. We are showcasing our strength, but in terms of population, in terms of culture, and in terms of other natural endowments. We have great sons of Idemili here gathered to identify with this. The significance it is that we have accepted this as a unifying event and accepted this as an umbrella organization to put together Idemili people occasionally for the glory of God and then for service of mankind. If it is, this is my legacy. I have introduced this, I have instituted this, I have sustained this, and I hope that being a governor will bring even more. But being a governor or not being a governor, Idemili Day has come to stay. It is now an event of the Idemili people. There have been a lot of buying into it, and my hope is that it will outlive me one day, and it will grow in strength and strength and strength.
It's really something that people from all over the world should come and experience in a lifetime. I'm really proud to identify with them.
The ZLP flag bearer was also at Umunachi, where he was received by the traditional leaders who pledged their support for the victory of the Zenith Labour Party in the forthcoming election.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.